Good afternoon. It's indeed a pleasure to be here. I always love to have these kind of meetings where we can interact, exchange ideas, and guess what, do better with each other's help and support.
That word is changing all the time. Nothing is stable, nothing is constant in the world. And if you are not going to be changing faster than your market, I think you'll be history.
The fact is, we are in the idea economy. There is an idea which is born every second, every minute. And when you look at these ideas are actually like applications roll out. Truthfully, all ideas are getting translated into applications. And I see that across all industries as I interact with you.
Best thing to do in any business, anything you do, and this is what I believe, is you just have to be yourself. Don't try to be someone else. So I was myself.
At Hewlett-Packard, we sat down and said, so what needs to change for the digital enterprise? And it's not about, we're going to throw out everything we had and come in with something new. It's not about that. It's all about, so what do we need to transform for becoming a digital enterprise? Clearly, it's a transformation which we need to drive. And we thought about it in 4 pillars. And of course, the more I think through it and the more I meet all of you, I realize that these 4 pillars are becoming part of every industry, every conversation. So it's not about a journey we just do in one sector or in one vertical.
Disruptive,
energetic, smart, and focused.
Reliable.
And so the E led me should stand for excellence in everything that they do.
Thank you very much for your support. Last year has been one of the great years we had in India, and truly our success is because we could partner with you and work with you. We would not have been successful if you had not supported us, and I really appreciate every support you give us in making us successful.